Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Sign in to Roblox on desktop or mobile and open settings from the profile menu. Tap Security and scroll to the Passkeys section to start setup. Have the device you want to register ready, such as a phone with biometrics or a physical security key like UBI-key. If using desktop, use a browser that supports passkeys and plug the security key in. If using mobile, unlock biometrics when prompted and follow on-screen confirmations to continue the registration process. Choose Add Passkey and follow the browser or device prompts to register it on your Roblox account. When prompted, authenticate with device biometrics or insert and touch the physical security key to confirm ownership. The browser will show a registration success message after cryptographic keys are exchanged. Give the new passkey a clear name, like phone or UBI-key, so you can identify the device later. Confirm the new passkey appears in settings, and ensure it shows as active in your passkeys list. Sign out and then test signing back and using the new passkey to confirm successful setup. Keep a backup method available, such as a second passkey or recovery options, in case you lose the primary device. If you lose a device, return to Settings, open Passkeys, and remove the lost device immediately to protect your account. Then register a replacement passkey or enable account recovery to avoid lockout. Regularly check your passkeys list and update names or remove unused devices for ongoing security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.